Becoming a good photographer involves a combination of technical skills, artistic vision, and hard work. Here are some key factors to consider. Practice and experimentation. Photography is a skill that can be developed through practice and experimentation. The more you practice, the better you will become at using your camera and composing shots. Technical proficiency. Understanding the technical aspects of photography, such as aperture, shutter speed, and ISO, is crucial for creating well-exposed and sharp images. It's also important to have a good understanding of lighting, composition, and color theory. Creative vision. Good photographers have a unique perspective and a clear vision for what they want to achieve with their images. They are able to see beyond the obvious and capture subjects in new and interesting ways. Persistence and dedication. Photography can be a rewarding but challenging field, and it requires a lot of hard work and dedication to succeed. It's important to be persistent and to keep learning and improving your skills. Attention to detail. Good photographers pay attention to the small details in their images, such as lighting, composition, and background elements. They are also skilled at anticipating and capturing moments that other people might miss. Business skills. If you want to turn your passion for photography into a career, it's important to have good business skills, such as marketing, networking, and pricing.